Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class on Monday. Okay, so today is the first day of the week, so I hope students are doing fine. So on Monday, first session, we're going to study Treehouse 3, and today we will continue our Unit 9, the Candy Factory. Everyone, are you ready? So please prepare your books, your pencils, your notebook all together, alright? So now we will start our Unit 9. Okay, students, so now let's open your book on page 109, alright? Are you on this page? Okay? So today we will study get the clothes, okay? Here, get the clothes. Alright, everyone, get the clothes. So, what can you see in the picture? You can see kangaroos over here, and you can see this one is machine, okay? What's special about the machines? It can make candy by putting clothes into it, okay? So we can make candies by putting clothes into this machine, and then we have candies. Wow, this machine is so special, all right? Okay, so before we study on this page, everyone, let's review the song first, all right? So don't forget to chant along all together our song. So now let's start.
Let's sing Old Clothes. Is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a scarf. Scarf. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a watch? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a watch. Watch. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a shirt? Who knows? Who knows?
No, this is a coat. Coat. Into the candy machine it goes.
Are these boots? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are boots. Boots. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these glasses? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are glasses. Glasses. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these shorts? Who knows? Who knows?
No, these are jeans. Jeans. Into the candy machine they go.
Okay, everyone, so when you listen to the track or the song, did you chant along? Okay? So now it's our turn to do the activity on this page. Everyone, you can see the machine over here. Today we will put the clothes, okay? Put the clothes and say the clothes that we put into the machines, all right? We will put the clothes into the machine, all right? And then we will say the word of those clothes, okay? All right. So where is the sticker that you can find? Over here, okay? You can find the sticker over here. Let me show you. Over here. So do you remember all these clothes, everyone? Okay? What is this? What is this? This one is coat. Coat. Glasses. Glasses. Jeans. Jeans. Scarf. Scarf. Boots. Boots. And watch. Watch. Okay? Alright, so we going to put those clothes into the machine. How do we put everyone? Okay, we will listen to the song one more time. Okay, everyone, you got it? Alright, so now teacher will let you listen to the song one more time. What clothes that we will put into the machines, what clothes that we are not going to put into the machines, alright? Okay, you got it? So now let's start. Listen again.
Let's sing! Old clothes! Is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a scarf. Scarf. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a watch? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a watch. Watch. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a shirt? Who knows? Who knows?
No, this is a coat. Coat. Into the candy machine it goes.
Are these boots? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are boots. Boots. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these glasses? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are glasses. Glasses. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these shorts? Who knows? Who knows?
No, these are jeans. Jeans. Into the candy machine they go.
Okay everyone, so do you know already what clothes that we're going to put it into the machines? And now let's learn with teacher all together. Okay, so in the song, okay everyone, so in the song, Monty said, is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, here. Is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows? Yes, this is a scarf. Scarf. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, that's how the song we listened earlier. Alright, Monty said, is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows? Yes, this is a scarf. Scarf. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, alright, so add your sticker into the machine over here, okay? Add the sticker scarf, alright? Here, teacher will show you. Everyone, so put your scarf over here, alright? Are you ready? Alright, so now next. This one. Okay? Is this a watch? Who knows? Who knows? Okay? Is this a watch, everyone? Who knows? Yes, this is a watch. Watch. Into the candy machine it goes. Alright? That sound, that the song, it goes earlier. Alright? Is this a watch? Who knows? Who knows? Yes, this is a watch. Watch. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, so put your sticker watch into the machine. Okay, put it over here, everyone. Put it over here. Here, okay? Alright, so we put our clothes over here. So it goes to the machine. Alright? And this. Is this a shirt? Who knows? Who knows? Is this a shirt, everyone? No, this is a coat. Coat. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, so put your coat into the candy machine. Alright, this one also add on the machine. Okay, alright. Next one. Are these boots? Who knows? Who knows? Are these boots, everyone? Yes, these are boots. Boots. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, so put this one on the machine too. Alright. Okay. So this one. Okay. Are these classes? Who knows? Who knows? Are these classes, everyone? Yes, these is classes. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, so put your classes into the machine. And the last one. Are these shorts? Who knows? Who know? Are these shorts, everyone? Short. Are these shorts? No, these are jeans. Into the candy machine it goes. Okay, so put your jeans into the machine too, alright? Okay, so now we put all of the stickers on the machine, alright? We put all the clothes into machine, so we will get the candy, okay? Alright, so now we finish our activity, get the clothes into the machines, alright everyone? So I hope students understand and know how to sing the song, okay? Alright, so now it's the end of our first session on Monday. Teacher will see each other on the second session, okay?